Dear students, now we are going to discuss the mechanism of opening and closing in scotoactive stomata. Scotoactive stomata. Opening and closing of a scotoactive stomata, generally they are present in xerophytes. So that is an adaptation. So scotoactive means they open during dark time if light is not available. So in the absence of light, here I'm taking dark period, means night time. Okay, so here also I'm taking same guard cells, dicot guard cells, narrowly open, not completely open. Okay, so during night time, accumulation of organic acids. So during night time, because of anabolic reactions, a number of organic acids are accumulated. Malic acid, oxaloacetic acid, like that. So accumulation of organic acids. So synthesis of organic acids, more number of organic acids. So organic acid concentration more here. More number of organic acids. And what about subsidiary cells? In subsidiary cells, the concentration of organic acids very less. Decline. So organic acids more, organic acid less. There also solutes or not. Once more number of organic acids. One. What about a psi W value? Psi W value is minus 0.9 here. And in this case, psi W value is minus 0.3. Now, passively, what about the direction of movement of water? H2O from subsidiary cells to guard cells. Increase in turgor pressure. Opening of a stroma because of turgor pressure. Here also same mechanism. So once water is increased, turgor pressure, turgid. Once they turgid, what about opening? Here also same mechanism. Opened. So inner walls become more concave, outer walls become more convex. Okay, so during night time. Next. In the presence of light, daytime. Light available time. Light available time. Reverse. Make it reverse. Already opened. Now, what about organic acids? Reverse. Organic acids less means transported here simply. And what about organic acids here? More. Now, psi W value within the guard cell minus 0.4. And this one, psi W value minus 0.8. Now, what about the direction of movement of water passively into the subsidiary cell? So, loss of turgor pressure means fluxid. Okay, so closing down of a stroma, rate of transpiration reduced. So far we studied Movement of guard cells in the case of dicot only. What about in the case of monocots? Same mechanism. What about monocots? So this is a monocot guard cell, dumbbell, very close. Take them very close. Initially very close. They're very close. Make them close. So this is a closed condition of guards, closed condition, for example. Okay. So inner, middle, and outer walls are very thick. Same mechanism, movement of molecules, according to photoactive and photoactive. So now movement of water movement, H2O. So once more amount of water is accumulated, what about end walls? More bulging of end walls because they are thin walls. More bulging of end walls. So if end walls are bulged, what about middle, inner, and outer walls? They move apart. This side, move apart. So pore is opened. Now more rate of transpiration. Okay, so if water is lost, they come together. Reason these two get a fluxed condition. So that's about opening and closing mechanism of photoactive and photoactive stomata.